Here's the tip of the day for all you motorcycle builders that do this by yourself. Now these videos are not designed for people in Hawaii, because I imagine they look at these and have a great laugh. I mean, those guys over there, they have got, every one of them is an expert on these bikes. So this is just for the backyard old man like me, or someone in the Netherlands or something that doesn't work on them. If you think there's something wrong with the bike, then there is something wrong, and I'm going to show you. I just said that I was jamming on the throttle and it didn't seem right. The one thing that didn't seem right is that I've given this throttle all the play I can. Right here, that's wide open play. Okay, so I'm going, something's wrong. So I decided, okay, let's take a look. Now what I've done is I've cracked my front panel here, and I'm going to show you a couple things. I don't like doing this because this is a bitch to get back on. It is horrible to get back on. But if you will look, I'm going to see if I can. There's my finger right there. Okay, you can see the end of the chrome part of the throttle. It is not in the thing right. Now it's going in better. Like shit. Well, now it's in better right there. But before it was sticking out. Then I have Grant Mara. He asked me where I got these throttle chrome things. I got them from VT Cycles. One thing you have to remember, Grant, if you buy these, and I'm sorry they're a mess, but make sure your right and your left are different. Your right one will not have a little tab. There's a little tab down here which works on the other side here for the starter, where when you pull on this, it will release a button down here. Don't get any kind of chrome brake handles that don't have the tab on the bottom, because if you don't, your brakes won't work and your motor won't start. Because right now the brake light is off. When you pull this, it should go on, but only if you have that little tab right there, right there. And I had a set of these, didn't have the tabs on them. I didn't notice it because they're underneath here. I put them on, spent 6-7 hours trying to figure out what in the hell was wrong with them, until I noticed that this side has got to have these push button tabs on them, which they didn't. And I got them from, I don't know, some Chinese place. I don't know where I got them, maybe eBay. But I got these from VT. I really like them. They're just a nice little addition. So now I've got the throttle assembly back in. See if I can get a better picture of this. Throttle assembly, and this is stage 3 throttle. It was sticking out like that. That's not good. Now I was worried about getting the bike, everything on it. So I've just put it, now I put it all back in right there. This little button here, I found it's a kill switch, which I don't need, but that's what it is. And this is, that should not be pulling on that, really. I don't know why that's pulling on that. Huh. Anyway, I gotta look into that and see what's wrong with it. Just one more thing. Other than that, she's beginning to come together. All right.